Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CFMWS account. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over here, we could see that is URL section. Type down CFMWS and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, you have to click on this first option that says CFMWS. And on the top here, that says My CF1 login. Click on that option in order to log in. And in order to sign in, you are required with your CF1 number, example like this, and also your password. And after you're done, you can click on this option that says sign in, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your CFMWS. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have an option that says forgot your password in order to log in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.